Welcome to Trike Trekker, where we explore the most unique and adventurous three-wheeled rides on the planet. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Kevin Sears Camper Tricycle. Imagine the freedom of a bicycle, the stability of a trike, and the comfort of a tiny camper, all in one brilliantly designed machine. This isn't just a tricycle, it's a mobile adventure unit built for the open road, off-grid camping, and spontaneous exploration. Kevin Sears, known for his artistic and functional approach to mobile living, has taken his camper tricycle concept to the next level. The 2026 model is a refined, lightweight, and durable version that blends practicality with an adventurous spirit. The frame is built from high-strength aluminum, making it sturdy yet manageable for long rides. It features a three-wheel design for balance and stability, perfect for carrying the extra weight of the compact camper module without sacrificing maneuverability. The camper itself is a streamlined, aerodynamic pod with a pop-up roof, offering standing space inside, something rare in microcampers. Now, let's talk about features. Inside, the camper is surprisingly spacious. It comes with a fold-out bed, a compact storage system for gear and essentials, and even a small solar panel setup for off-grid power. There's space for a portable stove, LED lighting, and insulated walls to keep it comfortable in various weather conditions. The ventilation system ensures airflow, while smart storage compartments maximize every inch of space. Despite its compact size, it feels like a cozy retreat after a long day of riding. What makes this trike truly exciting is its off-road capabilities. With wide, rugged tires and a reinforced suspension system, it can handle dirt trails, gravel paths, and uneven terrains with ease. The electric assist feature provides an extra boost, making climbs and long distances far more manageable. Whether you're trekking through forest paths or cruising along coastal roads, this trike is built to handle the adventure. For road trips and camping, the 2026 Kevin Sears Camper Tricycle is a game-changer. It allows for slow, immersive travel, perfect for those who love exploring at their own pace. No need for fuel stops or expensive accommodations, just pedal, park, and enjoy nature. Whether you're an urban explorer, a long-distance cyclist, or someone looking for the ultimate minimalist travel experience, this camper trike is a perfect companion. If you love adventure, freedom, and the open road, this trike is calling your name. Subscribe to Trike Trekker for more unique rides and epic journeys. See you on the next adventure.